Hello. This video is going to be kind of a bonus video for lesson 4.4 review. We've already gone through and uh, cut out all these land classes, but I wanted to show you how you maybe you had an issue up in this area with all of these holes. I unioned all these land classes back together just now with Edit Geographic Union, and so here you can see this shape in particular right here. This lane glass is cut out of the side, but it's not a hole. This is cut out, but it's not a hole. This was cut out, but it is a hole. And so we also have this W3 protection that we added into lane class. So if you wanted to split this up the middle like I originally had it following those contours, it can be kind of tricky because if you just take the split tool, the scissors there, and say you grab on here and you just want to go across, if you do this, it's not going to work. And so maybe you struggled with that already, maybe not, but this is technically starting on the outside of land class. I'm going to just cancel that because this land class, even though we only have this kind of strip cut out of it here, technically this is outside of this land class. Inside this W3 protection is outside of this land class. So if I started here to here and split, it kind of seems like I'm going from the outside of this land class to another part that's outside. But it's not really outside, it's not really through the whole part. So if I hit enter right now, nothing's going to happen because I need to split all the way through. In one of these ways, I need to split all the way through that feature in and out and down. So to do that, you would go all the way through. So I'm going to grab this vert because I don't want to add unnecessary verts. I'll go here, and then this is the weird part. I'm going to cut this inner land class, the R land class. I'm going to split that too. It's not ideal because you're doing an unnecessary split, but it's okay because that's what we need to do to get it done. So the risk here is that we've succeeded here. We've got this land class split in half like we wanted to, but the risk is you do this and then you forget about this. And what we need to do is put that back together. Edit Geographic Union. We'll put that back together. The attribute information was the same, obviously, because we split one land class into two, so both sides of the land class got this C1 equal to R. We unioned it back together, and it's also C1 equal to R. So I wanted to show how that's accomplished. Again, it's kind of a tricky one, probably a little bit harder than I really should have given you just kind of starting off, but it's a good way to learn. You're definitely going to come across this at some point here in the near future. So it's good to see how that works. And again, just wanted to point out that it is risky to do unnecessary splits, and you always have to just make sure that when you come back after you've done your split, you put everything back together. So I'll leave that there, and if you weren't able to do it, you can probably do it now. Thanks.